Gonna walk on Lace's back. Here we go. There she is.
Hi.
What?
Are you recording you walking on your back?
Don't you mean your back?
Ow. Might as well watch myself.
What?
Why are you doing this to me?
Because it's fun. It's fun.
Ow! Ow! That was my butt. I have a cute butt. Come on.
Broken car.
A broken door.
1, 2, 3, broken car.
So starting today, I'm breaking out of this cage. I'm living up on this, my dreaming of mountain. Oh my.
It's still recording.
Yeah, I know.
So you know that.
You're gonna walk on my back, then walk on my back. No!
You got what you wanted.
Boogers.
Oh wait, is my arm in the way? Oh, just a little bit. Hi.
Ow.
You're like, ow. 1, 2, 3.
Armpit. Armpit. Ow, get off my back.
Alright, I'm done. I'm done. I won't kill you anymore.
Thank you.